Hello beauty bees, and welcome back to my channel. On today's makeup tutorial will be on this look. I use the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, this one here. I just played with some of the colors that I stayed away from because I was scared because they're like really dark and really hard to blend, but I'm getting better and I'm doing pretty good. So this is the look that I got. Obviously I don't have my hair done. I have it in 2 braids and I have my ears on still. So I'm gonna show you guys how I get my hair like really crimpy and curly. A lot of people are asking me on my Instagram on how I do it. I don't use a crimper, I use braids. Yes, the braids. So I braid my hair right when I get out of the shower. I add a little bit of gel or mousse or whatever you want to add, and start braiding your hair. If you don't know how to braid, you can try to get someone to braid it. If not, you can just divide your hair down the middle into 4s and braid, and then split that one in half and just do single braids. It comes out the same. I tried them both ways, but this is easier for me, and doesn't take that much time up for me because I know how to braid. But yeah, this is how I get my look in my hair. So I'm just gonna take out my braids so I'm just gonna release all the braids. So it's still a little wet, that's why it's not that curly, but when it's really dry, they come out really pretty than this. But you don't want to have your hair too wet when you're gonna braid, because then they fall out and it doesn't get tightened and they loosen up throughout the night. So my hair's a little wet because I started braiding my hair right when I got out of the shower, so I didn't even let my hair dry a little bit. But yeah, this is the way it comes out. And you can always just separate your hair, move it around, play with it, put it the way you want. Oh yes, it looks like a lion. So yeah, this is the way it comes out. It's still a little wet. Let me remind you guys, you can still kind of see in the video. But when it dries up, my hair does, it gets really poofy. So I'm sure it'll look just fine. But yeah, this is the final look. And if you guys think I should do a video on how I braid my hair by myself and show you guys how you can get your hair like this, comment down below and let me know what you guys think. But yep, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you want to see how I achieved this look, then please keep watching.